Start your journey to a globally recognized qualification without leaving home. Welcome to the Langford College YouTube channel.
Are you looking for a career that's exciting, rewarding, and full of opportunities? Studying hotel and hospitality could be the perfect path for you. At Langford College, our Level 4 and AMP5 courses are designed to prepare you with the skills needed for a successful career in hospitality management. The hospitality industry is growing rapidly and is set to become one of the largest global employers, with travel and tourism offering over 150 million jobs by 2029. It's a varied industry, offering careers not just in hotels, but also in tourism, restaurants, and entertainment, making it both exciting and secure. Studying hotel and hospitality at Langford College can open doors to international opportunities, from managing hotels in New York to working as a holiday representative in Greece. Hands-on training and real-world experience help you gain the practical skills employers are looking for. By focusing on your strengths and interests, you can choose a career path that matches your skills and passion. Hospitality management also allows you to travel, meet new people, and develop leadership, problem-solving, and organizational skills. With dedicated guidance and industry-focused courses at Langford College, you'll be prepared to step confidently into a thriving career. Choosing hotel and hospitality isn't just about a job, it's about a career full of opportunities and experiences. Langford College provides the training, support, and industry connections to help you succeed. Start your journey today, and take the first step toward a rewarding and exciting career in hospitality.